this is your girl Tiffany, and I'm showing you how to make a Caesar salad, all it being in one pouch. Okay, so this
At
is how
the
we do
beach.
it. Yeah, at the beach. So you open the top as so. Take out the accessories that's in it, cheese and meat. You see that? See that?
Yes.
And then you put at the side croutons also.
Yum.
I can't waste no salad.
Okay.
A fork also comes in it.
Shut your
Yes.
mouth.
And salad dressing.
What
So all
kind of
you have
salad
to
dressing?
do is, oh, I don't know what kind, but it tastes good. That's all. You squeeze it in the thing as so. Let's get that all in there.
Yes, girl. Get it. Yes. Squeeze
Get it,
that.
milk
Yes.
it until it's in there. That's how you do it.
Like you milking a cow.
Yeah. Good.
Yum.
Okay. Oy vey. Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know what she said.
You open the croutons as so, and then you put the croutons. Oh my God, they gave me 5. Usually they give me more than that, but okay, whatever. They being cheap with me, all right.
Already.
So here is the grilled chicken in the provolone cheese, and you just dump it like so.
Yum.
Like, see, you can't waste no cheese. Now I'm being greedy. This is a black style. This is how you do it.
You can't
No
waste.
race is intended. Okay. So you take it as so, cover it up like that. A shake, shake, shake. A shake, shake, shake. Oh, you gotta shake a couple times. Like wait, no. And there you go. Wait, hold on.
Can you open it? She can't.
Your Caesar salad.
Show us
Chicken
the.
Caesar
Show us
salad.
the. Show
There you
us.
go. There you go.
Yum. And it smells so good.
Yes, it does. With my aloe drink right here, boy. Eat me healthy, baby. Alright, thank you for watching the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like my salad, and you can make your own salad. Have a nice day. Peace.
Peace. And this is recorded by none other than Artia Burns.
Oh no! Oh man!
Say goodbye again. Goodbye.
Later.
Hey y'all. I was the one holding the camera with the ad lib in the background. To all the little people out there and my fans. It's been real.